Alright, hello everybody. Trying something a little new today. Hopefully we're straight. Looks pretty straight. We'll see how this goes. No idea how this is gonna go or how heavy the wind is gonna be, but we can make adjustments. It's okay. It's a nice day. Beautiful day. Humidity's low. Sun's out. It's very nice. Just gonna go over there. It's tough. The only thing I noticed right away, and maybe my kit does actually have it, I just don't know about it, is a swivel. A swivel option would be nice. But yeah, for today, it's just going to be one forward view. It's not very long. It's a nice short bike ride. It's a better walk, to be honest. Let's see if this gym is readily available. Let's see. Yes, sir, but it looks like we can just do a flyby. Yes, I'm also on the go. I'm on the GoPro and the Go. If you know what I mean. If you know, you know. It'll be interesting to see how this all turns out. Again, as I said, this trail is pretty much the main trail for this particular area. There really isn't any others. There's little ones. Some nice ones in the woods, but more for walking. Not so much biking. It's hey, you can bike it, it's just really quick. And it's a nice bike ride, but like for me, if it's 10 minutes, it's too quick. So I guess with this it's unavoidable to get people, but you pass them so quickly. It is what it is. I try to avoid it, but I haven't got heavy into the editing yet, which, I mean, is more laziness on my part. It's a pretty simple fix. Lots of people that. Gym. Looks like we can take another one. I apologize for the lawnmower sound. Just drop a shadow, walk off it in here. Uh-oh, it's following. It's okay. I'm just gonna wait for it to pass. Instead of spraying me with grass, they stopped. Look at that. coming up behind you, passing on the left. Can't even hear me. Oh well, I tried. There's a nice little drainage pond walk I've done. It's kind of nice. Just a nice little walk. And that's what it's all about. Sometimes just getting out. That's what I got to tell myself is just make sure you're getting out at least a couple times a week. And at least it'd be nice if I can get into the habit of like every day going for a walk at least. But when you work full time, sometimes it's hard to get out. I really don't want to splash up, so do that nice and slow. I'm not a pro biker where I could just hop right over that. Maybe one day. And this is like, I'm embarrassed to say, I've only got out a couple times. Riding Trek 7000 hardtail. It's kind of the best of both worlds. Don't really have the funds to get a bunch of different bikes for special uses. Again, that'd be nice one day. Yeah, looks like the little bridge is taken out. Not where it normally is. So hopefully I don't get any ticks in here. I don't think they're really going to maintain this as of yet. We'll see how stable this video is. Actually, one thing I'm going to do is, I guess I can't, hopefully it's stable. We will see. This is one of the big tests of whether my clamp will stay on and stay straight, of course. And I guess I would have to get like a high-end clamp that's all metal, because if anyone knows, obviously you gotta be kind of careful clamping down plastic, especially on an aluminum frame. Plastic's definitely gonna go first, so we'll see. Of course, like right now, and I'm sounding super cheap in this video, but the fact of the matter is I got an almost non-existent YouTube channel, and limited finances right now, so there you go. Like, subscribe, help get me some money for a better clamp. I'm just half kidding. I don't really care. I do this as more of a hobby. I like videography, but I'm just kind of like super amateur right now. So it's definitely like just kind of fun. Oh, that was my fault. Note to self, watch your chin. So yeah, it's just basically a little hobby. If I get a view or two, it's nice. If I don't really care. It's just nice, fun to do, fun to play around with. And who knows, as things hopefully open up, I'll have more opportunities to get better. One thing I really like doing is interviews. So I'm hoping down the road or down the trail, I should say, I can get some more opportunities to do interviews. For now, I hope you enjoy this first-person view of me attempting to run through this trail. I'm super out of shape right now too, so as much as I'd love to talk with ease the entire video, maybe in a month or two. The good bad thing, I guess unfortunately for the viewers, as far as excitement goes, I'm not in bear country or anything, so there's not about to be a bear come out. Coyote is about the most potential action we'll get, and even they, like, right now they're very highly likely well hidden, resting somewhere, getting ready for their nighttime activities. So this concludes run one. I'm gonna break it up just because, oh, this little mud patch. The other part I want to go down, I hope is not too flooded. The signs are not looking too good here with where that little section is at. It's kind of a good benchmark. So that's the end of run one.